Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Dr. Ted, and on this channel we deal with mental health issues and personal development. Now today we're going to talk about something incredibly important, and that is mental health first aid. Now just like physical health, mental health requires care and attention, especially when there's a crisis. Knowing how to provide this care and attention can make all the difference. So let's go over some essential tips on how to help somebody when they are in need. Let's get started. First, it's really important to recognize the signs of a mental health crisis. Now this can include extreme anxiety, panic attacks, severe depression, suicidal thoughts, or a psychotic episode. So the person could be having delusions, they could be very paranoid. So pay attention to how people change in their behavior, change in their mood, or even how they change in their appearance. Next, approach the person with empathy and understanding. Don't be passing any judgments of what's going on for them. And also, don't be doing this in some kind of public setting. So find a place where you can take them aside and have a talk with them, and just to let them know that you are there to support them. Active listening. So that means giving your full attention to the person, nodding your head when they're talking, saying that you understand, maybe saying that sounds really tough. So avoid interrupting them. If they're going on and on, don't try to shut them down. So just let them talk, and don't offer any kind of immediate solutions to their problem. They may not want that. They may just want someone to listen to them. Ask open-ended questions, so kind of encouraging them to share what they're going through. What's going on for them? Questions can be, can you tell me what's going on? What are you thinking now? How are you feeling? What can I do to support you in this moment? If the person is in immediate danger, so you're feeling that they may cut themselves or they may drink some kind of poison, don't leave them alone. Remove any kind of harmful objects from the area. So again, any kind of sharp objects or some kind of toxic kind of chemicals that could be around. Now seek immediate attention right away, professional help by calling emergency services or some kind of mental health crisis hotline. That can be very helpful. They can give you some advice on how to deal with the situation. Encourage the person to seek professional help. You could even offer to assist them in finding this help, or even go with them to the appointment if they choose. Just by them not being alone, they could feel a lot more supported and feel that somebody is out there caring for me, hoping that I get better. That's very encouraging. If the person isn't wanting any help, try to find some resources in the area that could assist them. And that could be local clinics, maybe websites, maybe local hotlines. If the person has access to these resources, the likelihood of using them can be improved. There's a situation, there's a crisis, you help them out, and everything appears to be okay, but don't let it end there. Follow up with them after the situation, after the talk, just to let them know that you are there to care for them and offer support. Sometimes this ongoing support can make a big difference in their recovery process. A crisis for the person can be quite intense, but also it can be intense for the caregiver. So be sure to care for your own mental health, your own emotional well-being, because you don't also want to be dragged down by the situation. And if you feel that you're being dragged down after the whole situation has happened, perhaps seek care for yourself. Being there for someone in a mental health crisis is incredibly important, and support can really make the difference for them. I hope you found the tips in this video helpful, and if you know of anybody that could use them, please share it with them. And as always, wishing you the best mental health wherever you are in this big world. Want to understand more about mental health? Check out this video.